Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR updates from past week. Mirova invested $30 million in Varaha's regenerative agriculture project in India. IKEA and BTG Pactual launched forest restoration in Brazil to support €100 million carbon removal pledge. Ardian NBS fund secured €100 million to back reforestation and wetlands. Wild Assets has opened a sale of up to 3,000 ex-post biochar CDR credits, priced at $154 to $160 per ton of CO₂ equivalent. Isometric approved by ICAO to issue CORSIA-compliant CO₂ removal credits to airlines. Boeing announced to buy up to 100,000 tons of CO₂ removal from Charm Industrial's bio-oil tech. NASDAQ and Carbon Direct opened pre-registration for carbon issuance calendar. Kawasaki Heavy Industries launches Japan's largest DAC pilot, targeting 0.5 to 1 million tons per year by 2030. Carbon Direct acquired Pachama to enhance carbon MRV capabilities. Alt Carbon issued Asia's largest ERW credits to Mitsui OSK Lines. Perennial and Valor Carbon partnered to accelerate soil carbon projects globally. Carbon to Sea, Meopar, and Planetary Technologies launched Ocean Alkalinity Research Program in Halifax. Proposals due January 9, 2026. UK government calls for experts for 2027 IPCC methodology report on CDR and CCUS, deadline 7 December. Alt Carbon partnered with Climeworks to deliver high-durability ERW credits from the Darjeeling Revival Project. Canada launched second Smart CDR student prize competition to foster carbon removal talent. CDR.FYY and Planet 2050 released State of Durable CDR financing, highlighting funding challenges. ICAO published a paper on how emissions trading systems currently handle CDR. A Healthier Earth released the biochar blueprint to help developers secure funding and scale the biochar sector. Allied Offsets published report on reputational, financial, and regulatory risks in voluntary carbon markets. DAC market growing at 68.3%, CAGR reaching $2.58 billion by 2030, according to Mortar Intelligence. The 2025 global carbon budget projected fossil CO₂ emissions at a record 38.1 gigaton in 2025, with land use emissions at 4.1 gigaton. Weakened land and ocean sinks have added 8% to CO₂ since 1960, leaving the 1.5 DGC carbon budget nearly exhausted. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you!